which is now a world record.
Hey guys, we're back at South by Southwest Gaming Expo.
Oh, that was annoying.
Alright, let's show you more of this festival. Now, you usually need 3 screens to play a good video game, but with this system you only require 1 single screen. Now let's take a small walk by the halls and see what else is the con offering. Well, it's more of a festival that celebrates music, movies and video games. If you ever have the chance to come, okay, I guarantee you will have lots of fun. There's a lot of merchandise and it's really good. It just sucks, but oh, I will wear them right now. Will enjoy so much all this. I don't blame them.
It's all in.
Now it starts to get a little bit crowded because people are finally arriving. Toys everywhere. Funkos. Now they're not just video games; they are tabletops too. Based on not Double Dragon, Dungeons and Dragons. Or they take the ideas and then evolve in something original.
Years ago wouldn't have been able to happen because nobody would have taken it as seriously as they do now. And it's special to me, and I think it is gratifying. It's great to know.
Well, people from the gaming industry come here and offer advice to those who want to join this fabulous industry. Now we have swords. But the one that you see in video games like Zelda, Kingdom of Cards, Samurai Blades. Now we have a video game that helps you to learn Japanese.
Card-based battle game that teaches you Japanese.
He says.
This is literally a card-based battle game. They are cool. Oh,
It's good to have a fight now.
43.30 after tax.
Really good pictures. What? 11 is eaten by the Demogorgon? Wow. That's cool.
Well, that's why they've also got different.
Now this area is for the people who wants to play some tabletops. And they can play for hours and meet some new friends. Oh. This is what I love of these counts. You get to know more people and expand your universe. So I guess Pokemon Go will be back. There's more free stuff. I'll get one later. Do you remember Bob Ross, the painter? Well, his legacy is right here. People are learning how to paint like he showed us on his TV show.
I'm totally for more people doing art.
Painting beautiful landscapes. Hello. So, most games are still in developing, but that's what people like to see, how they are made.
Clearly mild OCD and just very as well at the same time helping you never people learning how they work.
Oops. I can't walk. I need a t-shirt. I can come here and choose whatever character I want to wear.
No, but like people are. I was just covering here.
$100 for a handbag?
But you get it.
I feel like I need a bike.
Oh, right.
Smell it.
Yeah. Every famous video game is present in all the designs. Now, speaking about video games, we have Game Over Video Games, a famous store in Texas that sponsor this type of events.
It's just that it's
Wow,
confusing
this is
because,
cool.
like, they tell you the pieces.
This is a Return 3. You can play NES, Genesis, and Super Nintendo.
So like, and you play that, it's just like it's so unnatural.
Oh, there it is.
The Nintendo
The Virtual Boy. That's the first failure for Nintendo company. But people are still collecting them.
Oh no, not back there.
Oh, it's just some like.
That's what happened there.
Oh. Have you seen this type of stand camera? It's cool to shoot video on this type of events. Well, I promise to show you more of the South by Southwest Gaming Expo. So for now, see you later.